This video tutorial will walk you through the process of linking Sagevantage to your Moodle course and setting up GradeSync. Before you can include deep links in your Moodle course, you will need to create your Sagevantage course, and you do that by going to vantage.sagepub.com and then clicking on Create Course and then following the prompts. We're going to go back into our Moodle course, and now we're going to select our course. So let's go into our shell. I've already added some modules or content area. In your Moodle course, you want to go to the module to which you wish to add the content and then select the link to add an activity or resource. So first of all, you have got to make sure that you have turned editing on. So let's click there. And now we're going to scroll down, and I'm going to put a link under the textbook information. Most people, you probably have like a Let's Get Started week or a module that you have all of the activities like your bookstore information and the textbook information and Moodle information and all that good stuff. So you can go ahead and I always suggest to put one link here and call it click here to register and access Sagevantage e-text and assignments. And then you can go ahead and do GradeSync if you only want to do one link. And then I'm going to have other videos that will do multiple links at a time. But this video will show you how to do one link and then multiple GradeSyncs. So we're going to go to the Add Activity or Resource here at the bottom of that module. So let's click here. And now you're either going to find it located here. I have several Sagevantages because we have different stages of production and also different divisions, but that's mine. If you don't see it listed outside, you then can find the external tool and click on that, and it would be underneath there. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my Sagevantage 1.3 external tool. Yours will say it's something like Sagevantage external tool or Sagevantage 1.3 or Sagevantage link. It really depends on what the Moodle administrator decides to name it, but it should be something similar. So click on your external tool, and now I'm going to go to select content. The very first time you're going to have to select if you have multiple courses. If not, you'll just select that one course, but if you have multiple courses, you have to go find the course that you are going to use. There it is. Here's the one that I've created for this class. So I'm going to select that, and this will be the one and only time that you need to do that. So we hit select. And now a picker is going to pop up. And so, like I said, we're just going to put one main link in. I'm going to use this course dashboard link. You'll find it underneath the purple header. So I'm going to select that. It's the first box. That's going to put the link inside the course. The second box, which is grayed out here because the course dashboard doesn't have any grading, would be GradeSync. Now I'm going to go up to all resource types, because we can sort by that, or all chapters and all assignments that are assigned. But let's go to all resource types, and I'm going to go ahead and select chapter tests, and I'm just going to GradeSync the chapter tests. So I'm going to go up to select all, just because I'm going to do every one at the same time. And now I did not select the link because I only want to put that one link in that I did a minute ago, and then I'm going to have all these GradeSync. So I want to GradeSync my chapter tests. And that's it. I want those grades to flow from Vantage to my Moodle gradebook. So I'm just going to select those. There's a continue button. You'll find it at the bottom. You also can find it at the top up here. And let's hit continue. And now this is our confirmation page. We will see that we have one link that's going to go in. And then the GradeSyncs, the same thing. There's two continue buttons. But we're going to go ahead and hit continue. And we're going to give it a minute, because it's thinking, because it's putting all those GradeSyncs in. And now here where it says course dashboard, I'm going to go ahead and change that name to click here to register and access Sagevantage e-text and assignments. I'm going to go to show more. I want to make sure that it's displayed on the course page. And then I also want to scroll down in the launch container where it says launch container here. I want to go look. Instead of default, I want it in a new window, and then I'm going to scroll down and hit save and return to the course. And now here is my link, and I could have put an explanation here, but if I click here, it's going to go ahead and take me to that course dashboard. If I put a due date inside of Vantage, you would see the due date here, but I can go ahead, my students can start the assignments here, or they can go all the way up to the top where there's a table of contents, and then now they can access the whole entire textbook. We're going to go back to our Moodle tab, and now we are going to go to the gradebook. And now you'll see we put in all these chapter tests. So you will see that you don't have to do anything. Anything that you grade sync automatically comes inside of of Moodle as a column in your gradebook. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Have a good day.